Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've ever opened up your Google Sheets and found that your trusty menu bar has suddenly vanished, leaving you wondering where all your tools and options have disappeared to, don't worry, you're in exactly the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you two super simple methods for unhitting the menu bar in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll have your full menu bar restored and be ready to get back to work without any guesswork or frustration. Let's dive right in with the first method, which uses a very handy little button that Google tucked away for us. Take a look at the very top right corner of your Google Sheet. You're looking for a tiny arrowhead icon, a sort of upside-down carrot. Think of it like a little peekaboo button for your menu. If you hover over it, you might even get a tooltip saying something like Show Menu or Hide Menu, depending on its current state. If your menu bar is missing, this arrow is your best friend. Go ahead and click on it now. As soon as you do, you'll see your entire menu bar glide back into place at the top of your screen, complete with all those familiar options: File, Edit, View, and more. It's like someone turning the lights back on in a room. Everything's right where you left it. Now, a quick tip: you can use this same arrow to toggle the menu bar back off whenever you need more screen space for your data. But for most day-to-day tasks, it's helpful to keep that menu visible so you have easy access to all your editing tools. Now let's move on to the second method, and this one is perfect if you love keyboard shortcuts or just want a faster way to get things done. All you have to do is press Ctrl-Shift and the F key all at the same time. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus F. This keyboard shortcut works as a toggle, just like that arrow icon, so every time you hit it, it'll either hide or unhide your menu bar. If you're a fan of using your keyboard to speed things up, this is definitely the option for you. And don't worry if nothing seems to happen right away. Sometimes, especially if your cursor is actively inside a cell or if you're on a slightly slower internet connection, it might take a second or two for the menu to pop back up. Just make sure you're clicked somewhere in the sheet itself, not editing a particular cell. Also, a quick note for Mac users: you'll want to use Command plus Shift plus F instead. Just swap out Control for Command. That's really all there is to it. Two easy ways to bring back your Google Sheets menu bar whenever it goes missing, either by clicking the little arrow in the top right or by using the Control plus Shift plus F keyboard shortcut. It doesn't get much simpler than that, but I hope this quick walkthrough helps save you some time and keeps your workflow running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Sheets questions or if there's another tricky tech tip you'd like to see covered. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.